Hey guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario, Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. It is Wednesday, March 27th, 2019, and Xiegu has just sent out the latest firmware update for the G90. This is going to be build 1D06, build 001 for the display unit. And it's going to be version 1D06 build 002 for the main unit. Some of the upgrades are they've added a CW decoding interface by pressing a long press of the key button. It will bring up the CW decoder. They've added a zero beating alignment indicator on the LED as well for CW. What else? Split logic. It says here modified split logic, greatly reducing the delay of switching between different frequency transceivers. So we'll have to go through that. They did change the variable bandwidth filter icon, as well as the logic for adjustments for the low end filter, high end filter, and the narrow filter as well. The S and power output table has changed to a block filled style, just like the X5105, and they've got four colors of green, red, yellow, and dark gray to indicate different states. What else have we got? Function adjustment. If you press the function key to switch the second function is selected and the LED lights up, otherwise it turns off. They adjusted the volume control step from 18 to 28 so that we could drop it a little bit lower. It was either we had volume or it was off. There didn't seem to be a happy medium, but they've adjusted that a bit more. Fixed the CW side tone adjustment issue and optimized the structure and improved operation efficiency. They've got here bug fixes. Fixed the problem that the switch in the hand microphone could not exit after being pressed at the same time, and correct the problem that the background VFO frequency is incorrect when entering into the split mode. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do the upgrade. I just want to show you guys a picture of the display as it stands right now before I do the upgrade. So I'm going to do the upgrade and I will get back to you guys in just a bit. Alright guys, so I did the transfer from the computer. So we have version 6 in here now. We can see some of the changes on the display here. Obviously, if I press and hold the key button here, we see the blue, it lights up blue underneath. That's where the CW decoder is. We can see some changes to speaker volumes and stuff on here as well. The display, of course, I don't have anything hooked up at the moment to the radio. I just brought the radio into the store here so that I could do the upgrade. And this is what it looks like. So far so good. Next thing will be to obviously I believe I have to put my call sign and everything back in here again. Let's see. Go next. LCD brightness. So it's version 1.6 for the for both the head unit as well as the base. So we know we've got that, so we are definitely good to go. And of course we can work a bunch of different features in here in the main menu. So it's all good. We're good to go now. All I have to do is put my call sign into the radio. So when I turn the radio on, turn the radio off, my call sign comes up onto the screen. It will replace where it says Xiegu. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. 7-3, guys.